So well guys, welcome back to our class again. Hello guys. What's up guys? You good?
Good.
Yeah, it's
Always
Cisania.
good.
Sounds great that you're always good. Take a welcome back to our class everyone. So we have this study here, Bro Anga, we have this Tita and also you, Cisania. It's really great to meet you again finally guys. So well, Cisania, how was your weekend? What did
Oh,
you
my
do?
weekend is my weekend so fun, bro. I think.
So
Be-
sure, what did you do actually?
Yeah, because in the morning
Mhm.
I go to
Nice.
some kajian. It's
Ah,
uh, in my yeah
mhm,
in the mall. Yeah, something like that.
okay.
And then after that, I go to my lecturer's house.
Mhm,
Yeah, with my friends.
mhm.
After that, I play with my best friend. I
It's
think.
like go hang out with your friends,
Yeah,
right?
I go hang out
Oh,
in
that's nice weekend. That was
Yes.
great. Thank you so much,
How about
Sonia.
you? Yes.
Oh, that's a nice. Thank you for asking. And last week, yesterday, on Saturday, right? Okay, on Saturday, yes, as usual, every weekend I always do my exercisings in the morning
Oh,
and in the evening. And after I had a exercising in the morning, I just moved the floor. I
oh.
was the clothes. It's absolutely not fine.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
On Saturday, I always guys do the household chores, guys. Actually, yes. So
Yep.
that's it.
So good.
And and on Sunday, yes, in the evening, right? So I went to the gym and I hanged out with my friends just for
Oh.
having coffee in coffee shop, something like that. Even though I don't like drinking coffee, I ordered the other one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and
I remember.
on
Mhm.
Sunday, I just oh, I just take a rest, like watching Netflix. Well, that's one.
Oh, what
Yeah.
is the movie?
That's this is randomly movie actually, Cesaria.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
okay.
that's right. All right, Cesaria. Thank you for asking. That's
Yeah,
great.
thank you.
Okay, so we have the audio. So Daffy will come back to our class again. So well, everyone, we're going to start the class while waiting the order. So good evening. Welcome back to our class again with speaking partner.
We
We
are
are the
the
best
We are the
partner.
best partner.
Oh, sure, everyone. What's password?
keep smiling.
Keep
Thank you so
smiling.
much, guys. You are so amazing. All right, guys, today is our 16th meeting, everyone, and special for this week is our final week. So we almost done this program in professional beginner, okay? So you can try to level up your English again. You want to join like a professional one because we have a professional one and professional two for the following level, okay? Or maybe you want to switch on another class, like you want to try to join with another class, like 100% English, guess. So it's really cool to practice that only by English, or just continue here in professional one. Okay, that's everything depends on you guys. That's it, everyone. Okay, and by the way, we have Sislina here. Sislina, what about you? What did you do yesterday on the weekend?
Yesterday,
Yesterday, yeah,
um,
on the weekend, on Sunday especially.
yesterday I
Hmm?
okay. Wait a minute.
What?
I
What did you
just
do?
in home. I just at
Ah,
home.
mm,
And I rest in home.
mm-mm,
Just with my son and cook, and then yeah,
mm.
just I make I have order make
Oh, you had
snake
an order
mix.
to make a snake.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you made it. Oh,
yeah.
great,
I made it.
Sislina. That's nice, Sislina. That was a great. Okay, just stay at home actually, right? Cool. Okay,
Okay.
so
Thank
welcome. Thank you
you.
so much, Sislina. It's amazing. And Siap. Okay, who is Siap? Siapa tadi? Siap Sinaga. I forgot the name. Okay, so well, everyone. And by the way, today we're going to have a new topic. It's really interesting topic we talk about today. And do you know what we're going to talk about actually? What is it, guys?
About
Anyone knows?
feedback.
Yeah, you're right, Sistita. We're going to talk about giving feedback and receiving the feedback. We have a tips actually, guys. It is actually the common tips in a professional way when we want to give the feedback for the others. It's really nice feedback. Let's get the ball rolling. And here we go. Yeah, giving and receiving feedback. So our topic today, and our goal is able to give and receive a feedback professionally. Yes, when we want to give feedback, we must use the best way. So just make sure the people that who gets the feedback will understand you and will receive and accept your feedback. The other one, when we got a feedback, we need to receive feedback well professionally as well. So we have the feedback language and also the expression, the way how to give the feedback, even how to receive the feedbacks. The goal of today, and today we have a lot vocabularies, guys. Oh, and talk about the sandwich feedback is the common one. Everybody knows this time actually. Sandwich feedback. It's really cool method. And the first time we need to have a warming up this time. So guys, anybody wants to practice? I think that should be Sistita. You turn on your camera. That that means you're ready and
I
want to
turn
practice.
on my camera because I'm
Hmm?
sleepy.
Oh, that's the reason. All right. So what did you do actually today, Sistita, on Monday? It's a
On
great day.
Monday, I have an activity to go out and,
Mhm.
of course, work from home.
Oh, just work from home. Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. How lucky you are. You don't need to go outside, right? That's a cool. That's nice. So, Sitita, let's talk about
Yeah.
this for warming up. Yeah. And actually, what is feedback, Sitita? And can you give example of feedback you got? What's that? What is feedback?
Feedback, maybe in my opinion, feedback is coming from someone,
Hmm? That's a
negative or
comment.
positive.
Yes, that's a negative, positive. This is
Mhm.
feedback.
Mhm.
That's good. So that's a nice one. And you said feedback, it could be positive and negative. This is the
Mhm.
comment from someone.
Mhm.
Okay, so why is feedback important for working together, especially when you work together, you have a team, and
Mhm.
why feedback is important, and how can it help us improve?
Yeah, maybe feedback is important because it will help us to understand about something.
Mm,
Mm-hmm. And
that's
then
good.
we will know about what is good and what needs to do
Improve.
or what needs to change,
Mhm.
maybe something like that.
Wow, that's really cool. That's nice. Okay. Yes, that's a feedback. Yes, feedback is very important. Even though this is like negative command, is bad. Actually, we are as people who got the feedback as really grateful. Just make sure that thing that it is good for us because if the feedback comes to us, it means we have lacked something from ourselves, so we need to improve it, and we can improve it. That's
Yes.
what is a feedback. That's a good one. Okay, Tita, the last one. How would you feel if your boss or your head one, like your chief maybe, gave you good feedback? What about the bad feedback? Why is important to know about actually? Mm.
If I have, if my dean or my head
Mm?
give me some good feedback, maybe I will biasa aja.
Okay, it's nothing special or so.
Yes, maybe I
Okay.
will be happy, but
Mm.
uh, what
What
I
about the
should
bad feedback?
say? Hmm?
Yes, yes, just go ahead.
Uh, yeah, as I told you that maybe so there's nothing special, but maybe the bottom of my heart I feel happy.
Oh, that's good. What about the bad feedback? Bad feedback this time. What do
Of
you think?
course, will make me sad, but I think that's the way of God tell me about something that I should do.
That's good. That's a nice. All right. Let's give you the reason why is it important to know both. That's bad feedback and a good feedback actually, Stita.
Yes, it is important to improve my knowledge, to improve my attitude, maybe like that.
Oh, that's really cool, Stita. Thank you so much. It's a nice. That's a feedback. That's cool. Thank you so much, Stita. You are
You're welcome,
amazing
bro.
at answering that questions. Okay, and what about the others here, guys? And I want to go with the man here. We have Bro Anga. Hello, Bro Anga. Could you turn on your microphone and answer the question? Bro Anga.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Finally, Bro Anga. Let's talk about the feedback here. According to you, Bro Anga, what is feedback? And can you give an example of feedback you got?
Uh,
Hmm.
maaf bro, ini untuk apa bro?
Yeah,
Sorry.
feedback. It's maybe the feedback in your working area, maybe something like that. You get a feedback from your boss and or your co-workers or anyone, the feedback. Bangga?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you got it?
I don't have idea, bro.
Oh, sure. So for
Regarding it.
example, like we have a feedback. The example, when we are working in office, sometimes our boss always give us feedback. We submit the report, and the boss give us the feedback. Oh, your report is like blah 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 blah, and you need to do this blah blah blah. Nah, for example, Branga, that's a feedback. It's like your command. What do you think? What is feedback, and can you give an example of feedback you got last time, Dr. Karini? It's like masukan, yeah?
Yeah.
Doesn't mean totally that one. Feedback.
Okay. I think the example
The example.
of the feedback. Thank you for the report for last week, and currently we can planning for the next target and still in the path and best of luck.
Oh, I see though. So you give the example when you want to give
Yeah.
feedback, right? Okay. That's okay. It's Branga, that's good. And by the way, why is feedback important for working together when you work with your team, and why feedback is important? And how can it help us to improve actually, Branga?
Yeah, I think feedback is important because can give to someone about their work
Okay.
and about their perform and to help them to improve and understand how they are doing to be good and become improve again.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
That's good. That's important though. Okay, great, Branga. Last question, Branga. How would you feel if your boss, okay, gave you a good feedback? Uh, how would you feel? And what about bad feedback? How would you feel? And why is it important to know both?
I feel more confidence. Yeah,
Mm,
I feel more confident and I think I believe I can improve again. And yeah, and I want to say thank you because he have
he has
open mind.
okay, open-minded. Okay,
Yeah.
that's cool, bro. What about the bad feedback? What do you feel actually?
Yeah, I think same.
The same?
Same.
Hmm. That's good. Nice one. Okay, thank you so much, Bro Angga. You're so
Thank you,
messy
bro.
at answering that one. It's just about the feedback, everyone. So it's really important, I think, to get a feedback, even though we are a professional, we get a feedback, or even we want to give the feedback. Okay, if there is someone who gives us the feedback, it means they want to improve ourselves. Okay, so this is like, oh, that is something that's we need to improve. It's okay. Just like normal one, okay? It's a good feedback or even a bad feedback is okay. Just stay positive thinking. That's, oh, I need to improve. That's totally fine. Okay, it's like a growing mindset. It's like if they got a comment or feedback, it means, oh, that is something lack from ourselves and we need to improve it. That's it. But if you don't have like a growing mindset, it means kalau ada feedback yang buruk atau apalagi ini ya guys ya, jelek, kita pasti mendinainya. Nggak mau kasih feedback. Okay. All right, everyone. That's about it. It's totally okay. It's the normal in this situation, right? Okay. So let's get started. Here we go, guys. This is our vocabularies and umpan balik. Yeah, umpan balik in English is feedback. Feedback, the meaning is umpan balik. Okay, this one. That's for example, when we have a class like this time, before we end the class, I give you the feedback. Yeah, so that's for example, it's feedback to improve ourselves. Feedback. And critic, what is critic guys in English?
Critic.
That's the
Critic.
same. Critic. Ya, sama teman-teman ya. We cannot say critic you. Okay. All right, it's critic. It's the same ya. Critic. Kalau
Critic.
pujian is a prize. You can
Prize.
say praise, that would be better. Teman-teman bahasanya praise aja ya. If you want to say
Praise.
prize, actually it's okay. But it's the correct pronounce. You can say praise. Okay. S-nya itu
Praise.
tebel gitu teman-teman. Tebel ya. Kayak z gitu. Jadi saya say praise. Praise. That's it everyone. Itu adalah sebuah pujian. Kalau saran, what is saran?
Suggestion.
Suggestion. Do not forget, we couldn't say suggestion. The correct pronounce is dibaca J. Okay. Suggestion. Suggestion. Dorongan. So this is
Encouragement.
yeah, encouragement.
Encouragement.
That's good. This is like in, and then there's a car. Encouragement.
Encouragement.
That's good. Encouragement. Ini adalah sebuah dorongan. Perbaikan.
Improvement.
Improvement. Ya, perbaikan is improvement. Ya, kayak peningkatan gitu guys. Improvement. Constructive itu adalah
Constructive.
ya, constructive. Okay. Yeah, constructive. In English, you say constructive.
Constructive.
Yes, constructive. Constructive itu apa sih guys? Bersifat apa guys? Constructive, membangun. Yes, so you give the constructive command, feedback. Itu yang feedback yang sifatnya membangun ya. Constructive criticism. Okay, constructive. Positive is the same ya. Positive. Negative is negative. Bacanya negative. So the first ini guys dibaca a. Na, and then g. Negative.
Negative.
Yeah, if you want to say negative, positive is okay.
Negative.
And then
Positive.
tanggapan is
Response.
yeah. And you can say response or even like response is okay. Benar-benar teman-teman. Tanggapan. Okay, komunikasi. This is
Communication.
yeah. This is communication. That's right. It sounds like you. Communication. You're right. Communication. And kinerja. Performance. Yeah, our performance is good. Your performance is really amazing. Penilaian. This is
Assessment.
Assessment, you're right. A-nya yang pertama A dibaca E-nya di sini I dibaca A. Assessment, gitu ya.
Assessment.
Tujuan is
Goal.
goal. Iya, kalau kolaborasi,
Collaboration.
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 That's good. Just say collaboration.
Collaboration.
Okay. Collaboration. Kolaborasi. Pengakuan. Oh.
Recognition.
Yeah, just say recognition.
Recognition.
That's good. Yeah. Recognition. Recognition.
Recognition.
That's good. Recognition. And the next one is dukungan. What is it?
Support.
Support. Yeah, it's support. That
Support.
we bother you see like bacanya support.
Support.
Pengembangan is
Development.
development. That's good.
Development.
Development. D-nya yang depan ini cepat ya pastinya. Bukan development, development.
Development.
That's good. Wawasan is
Insight.
insight. And do not forget, if you have G and H, we don't need to pronounce that insight. That's enough. Kayak teman-teman bilang malam, night. Ya, benar, right. Yeah, we don't need to say insight,
Insight.
Nike, or right. No, don't need to pronounce that was silent letter.
Night.
Insight.
Right.
Refleksi. Refleksi is
Reflection.
reflections. Sounds like E. Reflections. Okay, so that's the vocabularies, guys. So come on, guys, turn on your camera, everyone. Okay, and repeat after me loudly. Tukang berpikir yang keras, teman-teman. Okay, repeat after me. Feedback.
Feedback.
Critic.
Critic.
Praise.
Praise.
Suggestion.
Suggestion.
Okay, encouragement.
Encouragement.
Improvement.
Improvement.
Constructive.
Constructive.
Positive.
Positive.
Negative.
Negative.
Response.
Response.
Communication.
Communication.
Performance.
Performance.
Assessment.
Assessment.
Goal.
Goal.
Okay. The next is collaboration.
Collaboration.
Yeah. Recognition. Sorry guys. Mana nih? Oh ini. Recognition.
Recognition.
Yeah. Support.
Support.
Development.
Development.
Insight.
Insight.
Ini enggak ketutupan, guys. Wait. Okay. Reflection.
Reflection.
All right. Good job, everyone. So those are the vocabularies, everyone. Okay. So let's try to start. Anybody wants to read the vocabularies? Oh, sure, Sistita. Come on. Try to read feedback until a response. That's the English, though.
Yeah. Feedback.
Okay.
Critique. Praise. Suggestion. Encouragement. Improvement. Constructive. Positive. Negative. Response.
Wow, good, Sistita. So amazing.
Thank
Okay,
you, Bro.
and yeah, most welcome. What about the others? Anyone? Sishania? Come on, Sishania. So communication until reflection, all right? Let's go.
Okay.
Mm.
Communication, performance, assessment, goal, collaboration, recognition, support, development, insight, reflection.
Wow, you are so amazing. Good job, guys. Nice, sis. Okay, so those are the vocabulary today, everyone. And let's try to remember that quickly. And I will try to close it, guys. Guys, what is pujian in English?
Praise.
It's a praise. And kritik
Critic.
is a critic. Yeah. Saran.
Suggestion.
Suggestion. Right, suggestion. Kalau dorongan,
Encouragement.
encouragement. Okay. Umpan balik,
Feedback.
feedback. Okay. Perbaikan,
Improvement.
Improvement.
Iya. Constructive.
Constructive.
Okay. Constructive.
Constructive.
Iya. Positive,
Positive.
negative.
Negative.
Okay. Positif, negatif. No, guys. Tanggapan,
Response.
response. Oh, it's amazing.
Response.
But what about this, guys? And
Okay.
kolaborasi. What is that?
Collaboration.
Collaboration. Komunikasi.
Communication. Communication.
Communication. Okay, is this a noun? Kalau communicate is a verb, ya.
Okay.
Kinerja.
Performance.
Performance.
Performance. Oh
Okay,
my God.
performance. That's a good.
Performance.
Yeah, performance is kinerja, your performance. Penilaian,
Assessment.
assessment. Oke, sering banget
Ada
nih, guys.
kita itu.
Iya, oke.
Makanya paling hafal lah. Si paling
I
assessment lah.
love my job.
Iya, si paling assessment tuh Sis Tita nih ya. Nanti akhirnya dinilai nih. Sekolahanmu ini nih. Saya kasih nilai. Alright. Okay, so, well, tujuan, what's tujuan, guys?
Go.
Goal.
Go.
Oke, kalau pengakuan,
Recognition.
recognition. Dukungan.
Support.
Support.
Oke, wawasan,
Insight.
insights. Iya. Pengembangan,
Development.
ya, development ya. Development. Development. Pengembangan. Ya, develop, guys. Ya. Develop itu mengembangkan. Kalau developments, it is pengembangan, is a noun. Refleksi,
Reflection.
ya, reflections.
Reflection.
Great job, everyone. So those are the vocabularies. I think you have known well, right? And try to make a sentence for yourself, guys. Like the simple sentence, you can use it. Or maybe when we practice later, you can just use it, everyone. Okay, it's gonna be enough, everyone. Yeah, and go ahead to the next part. Here we go. So anyone wants to rate, guys? This is look at this. We have sandwich feedback. Sis Tita, you want to get it? Let's go. Come on. Sandwich feedback. That's good. That's all right.
Okay. Just read, bro.
Yeah, just read.
Artiin.
All right.
Okay. Sandwich feedback. The sandwich feedback technique is a method of providing feedback that combines positive comments, constructive criticism, and a final positive note. This approach helps to soften the impact of criticism and encourage the recipient to feel valued and motivated.
Wow, great, Sis Tita. You are so good. That's a sandwich feedback. So it's like a sandwich. You know sandwich, right? It's like a food sandwich. Ya, kayak gitu guys bentuknya sandwich. So the first thing that we want to give the feedback to others, we have maybe we need to use this technique. Maybe everybody has known this one, right? Sandwich feedback, or maybe you have, maybe you always do it, but you don't realize it if this is a sandwich feedback. Okay, the technique, the good technique when we want to see feedback, we call sandwich feedback. Okay, what is that? Yeah, it's a method providing feedback that combines. Yang pertama nanti ada positive comments dulu, okay, and constructive criticism, and the final positive note. Kalau dibahasnya nanti, guys, kalau seperti sederhana seperti ini. Sis Tita, okay, Sis Tita, hari ini, wah, bahasa Inggrisnya bagus banget nih, conversation-nya bagus banget nih, Sis Tita, pronunciation-nya. Itu positive comments, okay. Kita masuk ke constructive criticism. Alangkah baiknya sisi di sini nih. ini ditingkatin nih biar tambah bagus lagi ke depannya. Jadi untuk ke depannya nanti Sista bakal terbiasa untuk ngomong yang lebih baik lagi. It's like the common one in sandwich feedback, teman-teman. Okay, so we respect the others. Biar yang kita kasih feedback nanti tidak terasa, aduh saya kok salah terus ya. No, this is the sandwich feedback. We can use it. It's really common in the office environment, right? It's good, everyone. And we try to make it this one. Hari ini kita belajar ini, guys, sandwich feedback. So we have steps and expressions. The first step is positive opening. Mulai dengan pujian dulu. Akui usaha atau hasil kerja mereka. Ini membuat mereka merasa dihargai atau lebih semangat. Ya, so that's why you can use that one. Ada this is good, everyone. You do it for at your home to your children. Okay, bukan tiba-tiba dimarahin ya. So this is really good. You just use it. Okay, the sandwich feedback. So, yang pertama, udah bagus nih nak, nggak apa-apa ya. Udah bagus nilainya nih. Kemarin kan udah berusaha dengan baik gitu guys. This is positive. Nanti orang ya pasti bakal merasa, oh iya, saya itu dihargai loh. Saya semangat ini meskipun hasilnya nggak terlalu bagus, tapi yes, still appreciate it. This one. Now, we have a phrases here. Ada ungkapan di sini guys. The first you can say, I really appreciate your hard work on blah 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 blah. Gitu guys. Or you did a good job with this. Or I love your approach to blah blah blah. For example, I really appreciate your hard work on this project. Your dedication is clear. Gitu guys. Jadi kita kasih positive opening dulu. Okay. And the second part, we need to have constructive criticism. Nah, di sini guys, tetap dipuji dulu atas usaha mereka. Poin kedua, kita baru masuk ke feedbacknya atau mungkin masukannya. Yang masukan constructive criticism berarti kritik atau masukan yang membangun, teman-teman. Bukan menjatuhkan ya. It's constructive criticism. Berikan saran dengan cara yang baik. Tunjukkan area yang bisa diperbaiki tanpa membuat mereka merasa buruk. Ini membantu mereka berkembang. Kalau kita punya potensi, dia itu bisa di sini sebenarnya. Kita kasih nih feedbacknya di situ. Constructive criticism. You can use these phrases like, however, I think you could improve by. I noticed that there are some areas where you can enhance. Boleh. Atau I might be helpful to consider. You can use it, everyone. For example, it might be helpful to consider gathering more data to support your claims. Nih guys, berarti sudah dikasih feedback masukan. Okay? And the last part is positive closing. Akhiri dengan dorongan. Sampaikan harapan untuk kemajuan mereka. Ini memberi mereka motivasi untuk terus berusaha. You can say, overall, you are on the right track. I can see your progress. Is it good? I'm confident that with a little more effort, you will excel. Excel itu kayak improve, teman-teman, konteksnya. So, kalau mau progress, mau bilang improve, peningkatan ini nggak hanya improve. This is you will excel. Kamu akan improve. Excel, you will excel. Keep up the great work. I'm excited to see you next steps in blah blah blah. For example, overall you are on the right track and I can see your progress. Gitu guys. Kalau kita gabungin dari awal tadi sandwich feedback, you can say, I really appreciated your hard work on this project. Your dedication is clear. It might be helpful to consider gathering. Nih guys. I really appreciated your hard work on this project. Your dedication is clear. Ini kan untuk positifnya guys ya. Yang keduanya, nah, it might be helpful to consider gathering more data to support your claims. Berarti kekurangannya, meskipun dia sudah bagus teman-teman, ya boleh ditingkatkan untuk memberikan data yang lebih ini guys. So, itu adalah construction criticism. And the last, overall, you are on the right track and I can see your progress. Itu pasti orang lebih dihargai, lebih semangat gitu guys ya. Gitu. This is sandwich feedback. You can do it, guys, everyone. If you want to give feedback, just use this. You got it, everyone? Okay. So, and the next part is, guys, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih, guys, tentang sandwich, sandwich feedback? Anyone has a question? Nope. That's okay, everyone. It's nice. You can use this method.
Perlu mau tanya.
Zina,
Aku
come
mau
on.
tanya. Kemarin kan dikatakan kalau harus bisa pakai have to.
ya.
Kalau yang pakai dia she, it has apa she, it sama he pakainya tetap have to atau has to?
Has to. The same has to.
Has to.
I have
okay.
to, you have to, we have to, they have to, she has to, okay? He has to, it has to, Sistina has to. Correct? Good questions. Okay, most welcome. Okay, lanjut teman-teman ya. And this one. And this is when receiving feedback. Kalau kita dapat feedback, ya, caranya gimana? So, thank you for your feedback. That's one. I appreciate your insights. That's helpful. Thank you. I'll take that into consideration. I'll work on that. This is a great opportunity for me to learn. For example, you can say, pelengkapnya ya, I appreciate your insight on the project. They really help me see things from a different angle. Okay, and this is really cool, everyone. You can say that. Okay, you got it, guys? This is when receiving feedback. Kalau teman-teman punya cara lain ketika dapat feedback is okay. Banyak caranya teman-teman. It's just the common one when we want to say or receive the feedback. Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys, we have done talking about this and overall, and it's your time to practice role play. I have this one, and you must give the feedback later. Employee performance review. Teman-teman harus ngasih feedback ke ini ya. Employee performance. Ya, kinerjanya pegawai itu gimana? Teman-teman kasih review, kasih feedback gitu. The manager, you are as a manager. The manager is conducting a performance review for the employee. Nah, misalnya si Tita ini sebagai manajernya, yang lain sebagai employee, sisa kasih the feedback, use the sandwich feedback. Okay? Yang lain nanti ya just answer by receiving the feedback ya, yang kita pelajari tadi. Gitu. Gantian nanti. Habis itu yang kedua jadi siapa nih? And the scenario, here review of a group project. Team member A is providing feedback on team member B's contribution to group project. Boleh dipilih yang ini. Feedback on a written report. Penulisan laporan nih. One college is reviewing a written report submitted by another college. Teman-teman ada yang ngumpulin report laporan, tapi teman-teman kasih feedback dulu nih. Nah, sesama college ya, kerja nih bareng-bareng sama rekan. Customer service interaction. It's really cool. A customer service representative is receiving feedback from a customer about the service experience. Boleh. An intern feedback session. The supervisor is providing feedback to an intern at the end of the internship. Intinya teman-teman nanti ada salah satu yang menjadi orang yang ngasih feedbacknya. Yang kedua, yes, you can receive the feedback. Itu teman-teman ya. You can choose as you want and make a conversation about this. Okay, everyone. And what? Brofik, sorry. Okay, Brofik. Oh, it's all right. Okay, Sistari. Okay, Bro Anggoro. That's totally okay. Thank you for coming, by the way. And see you tomorrow. Okay, guys, back to here and let's get started to have a conversation and breakout room. I think it's just 2 participants. So, nanti ada yang 2, ada yang 3 orang ya, guys ya. So, make it fun, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. And good luck and Alright, so you guys welcome back to the main room and thank you so much everyone for having such a great conversation. you talk about giving the feedback or receiving the feedback using the sandwich method from that scenario is really cool. Appreciated that. And the next, I would like to choose one of you to have 1 minute challenge.
Bro Angga, Bro Angga.
And what is Bro Angga? Hey, Bro Angga has done last time. So
Bro Fik mah.
all right. Bro Angga, do you want it? Come on, it's okay. Bro Angga, hello.
Hello, yeah, bro, Vic.
Okay, so
Please
come on,
choose
let's have the 1
another
minute challenge.
participant, bro. Not me, bro.
Why? Why? You're as the boss over there, right?
Why not?
Yeah,
yeah,
come on. Bro Angga, it's your turn. Let's do it. You can do it, bro. Okay, bro. I gave you time 1 minute, Bro Angga.
Please,
Okay.
another participant, bro, Vic.
Oh shit.
Because
Why?
another participant have
Right.
interest topic
Oh
from
sure.
than
I think
me.
hey you are one of them, right? Yeah. Okay, Bro Angga, do you want it? Nope.
Yeah.
All right, so okay, so Bro Angga, it's your turn, okay? Bro Angga,
Bro, Vic,
let's do it.
please, another participant.
Okay. So maybe guys, I wanna get with we have Bro Rocky. Bro Rocky. Come on, Bro
Oh.
Rocky. It's your turn. Okay.
Udah
Finally.
bosan orang dengar saya nih, bro.
No, right? Okay. That's totally fine. Bro Rocky,
Ini,
it's your turn, okay?
ini anak lagi, ini anak lagi.
1, 2, 3, go. Bro Rocky, time is yours.
Okay, yeah, thank you for the opportunity and good evening, all of you guys. Hope you are all doing great. In the past, our breakout room there were Sismon and also sis Hikmah. Yeah, we are practice about how we give the feedback for the manager, from manager to the employer, and also for the customer service, and also for I forgot the one, and we are uh change. I mean, aduh lupa deh. Yeah, we just try to practice all of the topics that you gave to us, and after that we finish our discussion. We share about the just experience that I have right now, and I hope that will be useful for Sismon and Sigma, and there will be action plan probably, yes, Hikmah and Moon. I will send the link that you need. My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you
That's
so
it.
much,
Thank you
bro.
so
You are
much,
so
bro.
amazing.
That's
Bro, that's
amazing.
great. Rocky, you're killing it. Okay, so the next case, the outro one, I want to give you the feedback this time, and do not forget, if you were to say, oh, this one's adjective. We have also learned about this. Like, I have the book that I give to you. I have the information that I want to give to you. Teman-teman, kalau konteksnya itu is a noun, a thing, we cannot say who. I have the information. I have information that I want to give you to give it to you. Saya punya informasi yang itu guys, kita nggak boleh semua pakai who. Who is only for person, right? Okay. I have a book who I know
Which
is it that one be which that would be
Which.
better. Which atau paling
That.
aman itu guys that.
That.
That's it. Okay, you got to pay that. And but if you want to avoid that, teman-teman kalau ingin menghilangkan adjective clause-nya itu, so you want to say this one for example. I know the people. Saya tahu orang yang peduli sama kamu. Ya, so kalau itu konteksnya ya, I know the people who
Who cares?
care about you. I know the person who cares about you. Tapi kalau teman-teman dihilangin nih adjective clause-nya atau who-nya, just make it gerund. Ingat ya kemarin. So you can say, I know the people caring about you.
Caring about you.
That's the correct one. You can use like, I know the people who care about you. I know the people caring about you. Yeah, so that's what we cannot say I know the people atau apapun ya, konteksnya ya just make that one. Tapi konteksnya ini Bro Vicky Mohato tadi itu untuk yang noun sebenarnya. Okay, so I have a book. Okay, that or which, that would be better. Atau langsung jangan aja. Kalau itu langsung verb teman-teman. Oke, kalau ada subjeknya ya normal ya. I have a book that, I have the book which. Gitu. Kalau boleh pakai who. Okay, got it? Okay, guys, that's great. This is our topic for this time. And the vocabulary says, if you want to say, what is terlibat, guys? Terlibat is engage.
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 Engage or info.
Yeah, you can say that's one. Engagement terlibat, teman-teman. Okay. Yeah, engagement are involved, itu juga boleh. But the common is involved, right? Okay. And the next one, kalau ini guys, you want to say dapat dipertanggungjawabkan. What is that? Nih.
Can
This is-
responsibility.
Yeah, accountability is, that would be better, bro. Sis. Okay, accountability.
Accountability.
Ya, Bro Vicky itu di chat obrolan teman-temannya. It's like accountability.
Accountability.
Ya, accountability itu adalah artinya dapat dipertanggungjawabkan. Okay. So you can say accountability. That's it, everyone. Okay, got it, guys. And overall, you are so great today, guys. I appreciate it a lot. And just keep going, yeah, and keep practicing. It's really cool. You need to get used to using our, conversation, especially the vocabularies, in a formal way, so you can use it. Okay. So, guys, do you have any question last time?
Nope.
That's a good question so far. So, well, guys, by the way, and do you have a riddle for this time? This riddle time.
This moon.
This Wulan, do you have it?
Oke.
Come on, let's do it.
Oke. Ikan-ikan apa yang bersih?
Ikan-ikan apa yang bersih?
Ikan.
Ikan mandi.
Ikan
nope.
bersih.
Habis wudu.
Nope.
Ikan habis
Nope.
wudu.
Nope.
Oh, tahu. Ikan sapu-sapu.
No.
Ikan
No.
sapu-sapu.
No.
Ikan
No.
sapu.
No.
No. What is that?
Nyerah.
Ikan help
Nyerah.
you, jadi nggak usah
No.
ngapa-ngapain.
No.
Ikan help you.
I can help you.
No.
Jadi nggak usah
No.
ngapa-ngapain, udah I can help you kok.
Oh, ikan apa yang bersih?
Kan
What's
sabun bersih mandi.
Nope.
What's that? I have no idea.
Ikan yang bersih, iklan sabun mandi.
No.
Iklan.
It is like a plot twist. It is like a plot twist.
Oh, sure. What's that?
Mhm.
Hey guys, do you know the answer?
Do you guys give up?
I give up. I have no idea.
Okay, the answer is cleaning service.
Oh alah.
Oh,
Cleaning
okay.
service.
Oh.
Yeah. I got it. Oh
Nggak
my
ngerti.
God.
Sita mikir dulu.
Just Wulan, coba jelasin si Tita nih, Kak.
Coba jelasin.
Yes. Kan ikan apa yang bersih? Cleaning service.
Fish.
Oh.
Fish.
Fish.
Oh, service. I see.
Oke.
Cleaning. Plot twist ya. Cleaning
Yeah.
service.
It's kind of
Ntar
plot.
keluar lagi ikan apa yang egois katanya.
Ikan apa ya guys?
Ikan apa yang egois?
Selfish.
Shellfish. Iya, shellfish. Iya.
Ikan apa yang suka ke kamar mandi.
Oh my God.
Aduh.
Oh. What is that, guys? What is that? Ikan?
Yang suka ke kamar mandi.
Apa itu?
Si fish.
Pipis.
Oke,
Pipis.
satu lagi.
Pipis, guys, pipis, pipis.
Ikan apa yang romantis?
Ikan apa yang romantis,
Ikan
guys?
Ikan apa yang romantis?
Oke. Ikan apa
Fish
yang
love.
romantis?
Fish love.
Salah.
Fish love.
I can live without you.
I can't
Oh, I
live
can't
without
Can love
you.
without
Live without you.
Okay, I can't love without you. Okay, I
Okay.
love
Ikan
it.
love
Make
without
sense.
Okay, that's great, everyone.
Banyak ya.
Okay, guys,
Nggak
thank you.
banyak
Ikan banyak
sebenarnya,
nih, guys,
tapi
ya.
ya
Aduh.
udahlah, udah berakhir.
Okay, guys, thank you so much, everyone. You are so good today, guys. Amazing. Okay, so we'll meet again tomorrow, guys. Yeah, don't miss the class, guys. Thank you for coming. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We are
the
best
Yes.
partner.
What's password, guys?
Keep
Smiling.
smiling.
Bye bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Bye-bye. See you.
Thank you, Bro Vicky. Ikan udahan.
Ikan.
Udah.
Ikan
Okay.
udah.